What is this garbage you're watching? I want to watch the news.
Are you making headway at least?
This is the news.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of that Gang Stalking Show. My name is Doug. I'm a targeted individual, and I live in Tyler, Texas, gang stalking capital of Texas, and I've been a TI since 2004. Today's video, I'm re-uploading that directed conversation clip that I did the other day. The audio was so bad on it, you couldn't hear what was going on, and I just want to set that clip up for you. Basically, what the deal is I'm headed to Tyler Public Library to access the computer lab to gain back all my hacked accounts, because every time you get a campaign of harassment, they lock up all your accounts, they hack everything, your phone, computer, Gmail, iCloud, everything. If you're not a targeted individual, you don't know how lucky you are, because these people are constantly in your business all the time, and they are just trying to make your life as much of a miserable hell as it possibly can be. These people have no empathy and they have no sympathy. And I don't know how any man could call himself a Christian and do this to another man. I don't think that you could. I couldn't. But anyway, to set this clip up, I go to the library, I get on a machine, and I'm locked out of everything. When I walk into the library, I see somebody that looks like they were probably in the corner with a laptop, and I think that was the guy that hacked the Wi-Fi on the computer system, all the computers at the lab, so to lock me out. I don't know that for certain. It's just, I'm assuming that. I get up to the second floor or third floor, and I go to the library, and I notice this old creepy dude in there, and I go to the computer, and I can't get into my account, and then I go back over and I start talking to the librarian, and this creepy old guy walks up to me, and he doesn't talk to me. He's not, excuse me, I'm pretty sure when I go out to my truck, there won't be a problem. That would be a conversation. A directed conversation is someone walking near you, getting with the earshot, and then saying whatever bizarre mumbo jumbo that they're either told to say or they want to say. And so he basically gets right next to me and he stops. While I'm having a conversation over here, he's 2 feet away, and he's like, I'm pretty sure when I go out to my truck, there won't be a problem. And then I start engaging him in dialogue, and he just becomes even more bizarre after this. And as the video clip ends, I said, I'm pretty sure that's a paid actor. A lot of these people get paid gift cards or their conscripts, or some even do it willingly. And most of them, I doubt that they even know me from a hill of beans. I don't know why anybody would sign up for this, but then again, people are crazy nowadays. And so after this video ends, I'm going to show you a quick clip of my truck that broke down yesterday. I started a pressure washing business, and this was right next to my customer's yard. My truck broke down as soon as I got there, and I just said, well, I might as well just, clean her house. And I spent like 4 or 5 hours pressure washing her home and getting her all fixed up. And then once I did that, I called a friend, and he came by and he picked me up, and he helped me out with the tow and to get the truck fixed. Now, while I'm talking to him, I got my cell phone around like I got it right now, and these people can hear me right now what I'm saying. They don't have to watch this video to find out what I'm uploading. They can hear me right now. And so they were listening to me and him talk. He's like, well, where are you going to take it? And I told him where I was going to take it. And what they did, since they have my phone hacked with a Stingray, they wanted to run a mimicry skit. This is what is called street theater. This guy in the blue shirt, that is a dress shirt. You don't pressure wash in a dress shirt. He's in a Days Inn parking lot, which is a motel, and he's not there to clean anything. He's there to simply do the mimicry thing, to harass. And what's the mimicry? I just started a pressure washing business, and he is directly behind the shop waiting on me so he can show me his pressure washing gear. And for those of you who are not a targeted individual, you don't understand this. This is part of psychological harassment. When you're undergoing a campaign and they really want to target you and try to get up in your head and screw with your brain, they'll do mimicry on you. I've seen people wear a mossy oak hat, dressed similar to me, short people with a gym bag, just look almost identical to me, and try to imitate my mannerisms. It's insane. DB on gang stalking simulation the other day. DB works out and he found a goalpost that had that padding around it, and he was using the goalpost as like a punching bag. Well, he's there a couple of minutes. A guy gets out of his car and he starts running around, shadow box in the air, and that's just about as bizarre as it could possibly be. Just kind of like Rocky running down the street. Da 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 da. You don't see people doing that. You just really don't. What DB was doing was totally normal because he's punching on a goalpost that's wrapped in some type of insulated material, and he's using that to work out on in the outdoors. I see it. I get that. But someone pulling over, within 50 yards away, and then he starts doing the same thing, and you can tell the other guy's just whacked out bizarre. But that's gang stalking. That's mimicry. It is the most bizarre thing that has been created on God's green earth. Anyway, I'm still asking for donations. If you guys could donate to my PayPal account, I would appreciate that. I need about $300 to cover my rent. My electric bill is taken care of. My truck is taken care of. So all I need is like $300 until tonight to get my rent paid up. I made $200 yesterday, and there were some people that donated yesterday. And after I paid my electric, I got 96 left over that. So I've got $300 on hand. I just need $219 to get my rent paid. And if you guys could help out with that, great. If you can't, that's awesome too. Just if you're a godly man or woman, please pray for me and keep me in your prayers and pray for this channel. And once I get my business up and going, I'll have plenty of time to start uploading and whatnot. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and God bless.
Repeat that to me again.
The network is screwed up.
No, you said something about you're pretty sure when you got to your truck there will not be a problem.
Right.
That's what you said, correct?
I'm trying to explain something to you.
I'm just trying to confirm, did I hear what you just said? I'm pretty sure when I walk out to my truck, there's not going to be a problem.
Correct.
That's what you said. That's what you said, correct?
Yes, that's exactly what I said.
So why did you tell me that bit of information which I shouldn't need to know?
I'm going to tell you something that you might be interested in knowing.
I'm interested in knowing a lot of things.
Well, I've been as far away as Cedar Creek Lake. Do you know where that is?
Is it in Louisiana?
You don't know
Are
where
there
it's-
alligators?
All right.
That right there is a paid actor.
Is your phone 0398?
Repeat that to me again.
The network is screwed up.
No, you said something about you're pretty sure when you got to your truck there will not be a problem.
Right.
That's what you said, correct?
I'm trying to explain explain something to you?
I'm just trying to confirm, did I hear what you just said? I'm pretty sure when I walk out to my truck, there's not going to be a problem.
Correct.
That's what you said. That's what you said, correct?
Yes, that's exactly what I said.
So why did you tell me that bit of information which I shouldn't need to know?
I'm going to tell you something that you might be interested in knowing.
I'm interested in knowing a lot of things.
Well, I've been as far away as Cedar Creek Lake. Do you know where that is?
Is it in Louisiana?
You don't
Are
know
there
where it is?
alligators?